5 ways to use ChatGPT in your marketing. Hi, my name is Karyna. I run a marketing agency and 3 social media channels here in the Chicago suburbs. And this website I'm going to talk about actually changed my life and made it so much easier. Everyone talks about ChatGPT.
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 Believe me, if you still didn't check out this website and didn't incorporate this into your marketing strategy, you're losing a lot of money and resources. ChatGPT is an AI language model which can create you, just listen to it. It can create a website for you, it can write a code, it can create content like marketing emails, blog posts, it can answer questions better than different search engines, even better than Google sometimes. It can also create scripts for the videos. For example, if you're a YouTuber, you can just ask it for, let's say, like most popular, I don't know, videos that people watch on a specific topic, and then this website is going to send you the script for it. And you don't have to do anything. Of course, you have to proofread it and stuff. We're gonna talk about it later, but to start with, this is like an awesome draft, which you don't have to pay anyone for, and you don't have to spend hours researching it online. And now I'm gonna give you 5 ways how ChatGPT can save you money in your business today. So the first one is content creation. I'm gonna show you actually what it can do instead of just talking about it, but basically it can write your marketing poem, it can create captions for a new post, or code for your website, as we talked about it before. And you can also send ChatGPT a link to your website or a service that you provide and ask it to create like a content, let's say marketing email, connected to this service or to this website. So you can see it just starts writing this email, and it starts write how the email should look. And I tested it out before. It's gonna finish the email just the way as the human would. Consider it as a draft, so you should always add some personality to it. You might add some tweaks to the email. I would never send it the way they send it. As a really good draft, this website is amazing. The next one is marketing research. ChatGPT can analyze your competitors, prices, and find you like the best deals online. It can also help you figure out the best color schemes for your website. Let's say you have an educational website and you don't know which color scheme to use, and it's gonna send you the whole list saying that, let's say, yellow is great for the mood and blah, blah, blah. Let's actually ask it to analyze CSU Global competitors. CSU Global is the company where I went to study. So it's an online university in Colorado. So let's see. I'm gonna show you next that you can also ask it to do something in your language. It doesn't have to be in English, but usually the information that it finds in English is more accurate. So I would recommend to find information in English and then just translate it to your language. And we go into the third one, which is ChatGPT can answer any of the marketing questions you might have, like the general marketing questions that you might be Googling or looking for on Quora, and you can find them. So ChatGPT can scan those websites and give them to you. Let's say I want to ask it, how can I make my video go viral? It is a very popular question that people ask on Google and Quora. The next one is that ChatGPT can help you gain followers and find your target audience. Let's say you have a YouTube channel for English learning, and you want to find out the most asked questions on YouTube or the most popular videos that people watched on YouTube regarding learning English or studying abroad, etc. So what you can do, you go to ChatGPT and you ask it this question. So I have another example that I'm gonna show you because it's kind of slow today, I guess, because it's like very high in demand in the morning or whatever. I asked it before the best videos to post on YouTube about learning English, and it gave me some ideas, which are really good ideas. You just have to, again, tweak it a little bit and make it more personalized and engaging, but this is again like a really good draft for you to start working with, and it's easy because you don't have to spend hours on research. You just go to ChatGPT and ask it these questions, and it is for free for now. Can you just like imagine it? It's perfect. And the last one that I'm gonna tell you about is that it can help you with your customer service. It's not gonna answer all customers' questions for you, but it can help you with customer service training. It can help you answer the most popular questions. It can show you what's the best way to answer these questions. For example, if I don't know, if your customer is really annoying and you don't know how to deal with it. It can also segment the customers or target audience by demographics and stuff. And what I also love is that it can kind of like recommend you the best services and tools that you can use. So let's check out one of the examples here, which I also asked it to do before. I asked ChatGPT, how can you help me with customer service? For example, I didn't know the information that I just gave you, and I asked it to help me with customer service. And here's what it's saying. It's saying that it can provide customer service tips, answer customer service related questions, recommend some tools, see like whatever I was telling you, it can help you with. So let's have this kind of like a conclusion of this video. Do you think that now you don't have to hire marketing specialists, people that create ads and customer service reps? No, you still need them, because ChatGPT is awesome, but it doesn't have this personalized touch. It doesn't understand emotions sometimes. It can't work as a human. It's an awesome tool to use as a starting point to make some of the jobs easier, to automate some of the things, to get like some ideas, to inspire, but it's still not the perfect tool and it cannot replace humans. If you want to create like the greatest products, you have to show your personality and your approach. Let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts on ChatGPT, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.